today's video. Before, in the lucky board, this weapon was actually a season pass, pixel pass weapon, but yeah. So it's a purifying shotgun, and before, if you don't remember, it's a serenade. It was a guitar-looking melee. You got charm and melee. Yeah, that's all I can remember. And now it's the purifying shotgun. So a purifying shotgun has shotgun, chainsaw, and bonus kill points, fire rate of 80, capacity of 8, and mobility of 50. So it's actually a very good weapon. I don't think that you can get this in any other thing except for like, oh, I don't mean any other thing. I mean like, I don't think you can get it from gallery though. And yeah, I think you can also get this with the tokens from the lucky board. So it's actually a very nice weapon. It's not available inside of armory, I don't think, but it is actually a very good weapon. So the bonus kill points, but I'm gonna go inside of a match and I'll be using, I don't know what. Oh, I'll be using the fake bonus, that, and also the armor generator. So if you have like very good modules, I do think you can get a 2-shot kill. But up close, it actually gives chainsaw damage. It's a very good weapon if you're still doing the like damage thing, like like that. It is a very good weapon. It is in the primary category, and the primary category is normally very good. So if you don't have this weapon, I would encourage you to buy one. After this weapon, I don't think unless you pay for it. But I was right there. How come the turret get me? It's a very good weapon. Just load it. I know I don't, but imagine if someone does fall from that. close game. Huh? The top 1 clan has no clan. Oh, what? Huh? 2 kills? How do you get 2 kills? It's super easy to get kills. Like, just grab one-shot weapons and spam it. Next up, we have deathmatch, and like I said, a very good deathmatch weapon. Burps. I don't think the chainsaw part of this actually breaks windows. You see. Nachos, the land of nachos. Ah, without max modules, it still is a 2-shot kill. Pretty nice. Here, enemy. Enemy. Hey, there you go. Ming. I know that works for cats, but Ming. Yeah, Nachos. Monkey dude is even using a monkey skin. Disgrace. Huh? How did monkey not die? I killed someone else. Ming. Ming. Okay. You can see my pellets, and actually, it's quite a lot of pellets. Where's the scope on this weapon? As you can see, there's a scope on the top of the weapon model, but there is no scope on the weapon itself. Nice. Nice. Good monkey. Second's not bad, I guess. Well, but anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video, and this weapon is a very good weapon, and I would encourage you to buy with your tokens. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video, and hope you have a great day.